You watch the cooking shows. You think, I can do that.
You feel like a master chef. You are ready to cook. But suddenly, the oil is too hot. It attacks you. Oh! Ouch!
Expectation versus reality. Your steak is charcoal.
Don't burn the kitchen down. Learn the verbs. Boil, fry, and chop. Stop the kitchen nightmares. Start cooking with confidence.
Master the ingredients. Master the recipe.
Welcome to episode 23. Let's get cooking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Global Podcast. I am Anna.
And I am Michael. Anna, I have a surprise for you today.
A surprise? Is it your homework?
No, better. I made lunch for us. I watched a cooking video on YouTube and I became a chef.
Oh, really? That is very sweet of you, Michael. What is it?
Open the box. It is my special Michael's Mystery Stew.
Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. It is very black and crunchy?
It is supposed to be dark roast. Try it.
Maybe later. But this reminds me, talking about food is easy, but talking about cooking is hard.
It is. There are so many verbs. Chop, dice, slice. I just use cut for everything.
Today, we will fix your kitchen vocabulary so you don't burn the house down or poison your friends.
So, Anna, let me tell you how I made this masterpiece. It was very complex.
Go ahead. I am listening.
First, I took a pot. I put water in it, and I cooked the water.
You cooked the water?
Yes, then I took some potatoes. I cooked them in the oven for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Then I took some bread. I cooked the bread in the toaster, and finally I cooked the onions in hot oil.
So, you cooked the water, cooked the potatoes, cooked the bread, and cooked the onions?
Yes, I am a cooking machine.
Stop! Michael, put down the spatula.
What, did I forget the salt?
No, you forgot the vocabulary. You used the word cook 4 times.
But I was in the kitchen. I was making food. That is cooking, right?
Cook is the general word, but native speakers use specific verbs for the heat source. If you say, I cooked the water, you sound like a caveman.
A caveman? Me? Me cook water. Me make fire.
Exactly. Do you want to sound like a pro chef? You need the heat source rule.
Yes, please. I want to sound like Gordon Ramsay, without the shouting.
Then listen carefully. I will reveal the secret verbs in part 2. Welcome back. Here is the rule. Look at how you are cooking.
Okay, pen and paper ready.
Rule number 1. If you use water or liquid, you boil. You boil water, you boil pasta, you boil an egg.
Ah, so I didn't cook the water, I boiled the water.
Rule number 2. If you use hot oil in a pan, you fry.
Ah, so the onions in the oil, I fried the onions, like French fries.
Exactly. Rule number 3. If you use the oven, hot air, you bake or roast. Bake for bread and cakes. Roast for meat and potatoes.
So I roasted the potatoes. And the bread in the toaster?
You toast the bread.
Boil, water, fry, oil, roast, oven, toast, bread.
Quick quiz. I give you the food, you give me the verb. A steak in a hot pan.
Fry. Or sear?
A chocolate cake.
Bake.
Spaghetti.
Boil.
Excellent. You are no longer a caveman.
Phew, my vocabulary is safe. But Anna, knowing the words didn't save me last time.
Last time? You mean the Valentine's Day incident?
Shh, don't say it so loud. The fire department might hear you.
Oh, right. I heard rumors about that night. You tried to cook a romantic dinner for your girlfriend, right?
It was supposed to be romantic. Candles, music, a fancy recipe, but it turned into a kitchen nightmare.
Listeners, put on your safety goggles. Michael is going to tell us the story of the spicy disaster.
It was Valentine's Day. I wanted to impress my date. I decided to make spicy chili con carne.
A bold choice. Spicy food is risky.
I bought all the ingredients: beef, beans, onions, and chili powder.
Essential for chili.
The recipe said add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, but I looked at the pot. It looked bland, so I thought more is better.
Oh no, Michael.
I regret I dumped half the jar into the pot. I thought, I am a man. I can handle spice.
And then?
Then I decided to fry some garlic, but I was watching TV. Suddenly, I smelled something.
The smell of burning?
Smoke. Black smoke was coming from the pan. The garlic was on fire. Fire! Fire!
Michael, is everything okay in there? It smells like a campfire.
Cough. Cough. Everything is fine, darling. Just adding some smoky flavor.
My eyes are stinging. Is that the smoke alarm?
Don't worry, I will fix it. I grabbed a towel and started waving it at the alarm, but then I knocked over the chili pot.
No, the spicy chili?
It fell on the floor, red, hot, spicy sauce everywhere, on my shoes, on the white rug.
Michael, I think we should order pizza.
We ate pizza, and I had to throw away the rug. The smell of burnt garlic stayed for a week.
Well, at least you didn't burn the house down. But more is better is a bad rule for cooking.
Let's clean up this mess with some vocabulary.
Yes, first word, the recipe. This is the set of instructions. Follow it. Don't be creative like me. Follow the recipe.
Second word, ingredients. These are the food items you use: meat, vegetables, spices.
And the mistake I made, bland versus spicy. Bland means no flavor or tasteless. Spicy or hot means it burns your mouth.
Be careful. Hot can mean temperature, hot coffee, or flavor, hot chili.
In my case, it was hot, spicy, burned, and on the floor.
Okay, let's practice imperatives, giving orders. Imagine you are the head chef. You are telling me what to do.
I am the lazy assistant. Tell me what to do.
Okay, chef, here are the onions. What do I do?
Okay, chop, chop, chop. Done. Now here is the water for the pasta.
Boiling the water. Done. Now here's the chicken.
Roasting in the oven. Yes, chef.
Good job. You are a great chef. Today we learned not to cook the water. We boil it.
And we fry with oil and bake or roast in the oven.
Your homework, go to your kitchen. Look at what you are doing. Say the verb out loud. I am chopping. I am frying.
Tell us in the comments, what is your signature dish? What can you cook perfectly?
Hopefully not burnt garlic. Thanks for watching.
Bon appetit. See you next time.